Eto na yung phone na pang-hustle, pang-school, pang-trabaho, pang-side quest. Meet the Nubia V80 Max. Bagong taon, bagong goals. For a lot of us, hustling means long days, maraming sidelines at phone na ginagamit mula umaga hanggang gabi. So the big question, kaya ba ng phone mo? Yung Nubia V80 Max, built talaga para sa real life. May 1.8 meter drop resistance, TÜV-tested durability, at IP64 dust and water resistance. So kung commuter ka, laging nasa labas, o medyo clumsy, di ka kakabahan. Battery pa lang panalo na, 6,000 milliamps battery with AI power saving. Ibig sabihin isang buong araw, work, school, scroll, shoot, super duper. And pag low bat na, 22.5 watts fast charging, balik agad. 6.9-inch display, 120 Hz refresh rate. Ang laki, ang smooth, sarap pang Netflix, pang TikTok, pang multitask. Kahit tirik ang araw, malinaw pa rin dahil up to 780 nits brightness. May smart protection din. Eye scam alert para iwas sa sketchy calls at messages. And one swipe AI memory. Quick access sa important stuff pero private. For content, goods na goods. 50 megapixel ay triple camera sa likod, 16 megapixel selfie cam sa harap. Perfect pang school project, pang work updates o pang daily life posts. Matibay na pero di mukhang rugged phone. Available in black, silver, gold at purple, malinis, modern, bagay kahit kanino. At ito ulit yung plot twist, 6,499 lang 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Available sa Nubia Philippines official stores on Shopee, Lazada at TikTok Shop. Kung gusto mo ng phone na di ka iiwan sa gitna ng OSEL, Nubia V80 Max. Built to the max. Presyo, chill lang.